The National Weather Service in Las Vegas has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Mojave County in northwestern Arizona, northeastern Clark County in southern Nevada, southeastern Lincoln County in south central Nevada until 3:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, or 3:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time at 2:43 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, or 2:43 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour.
Jeez.
These storms were located along a line extending from 7 miles south of Bunkerville to 6 miles southwest of Echo Bay Campground and moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Mesquite, Beaver Dam, Littlefield, Virgin
No, this
River
isn't
Gorge,
Dustorm, this is
Mopa
SVO.
Valley, Temple Bar Campground, Overton Beach, Virgin River Campground, Echo Bay, Bunkerville, Echo Bay Campground, Valley of Fire, and Temple Bar. This includes the following highways: Interstate 15 in Arizona between mile markers 0 and 29. Interstate 15 in Nevada between mile markers 106 and 120. This storm will produce high winds which can bring down trees and power lines and cause blowing dust. Also, lightning can kill. Take cover in a sturdy building and stay away from windows until the storm passes. Report severe weather to the Las Vegas National Weather Service via Facebook or Twitter. Strong wind gusts and high waves can be expected. If on or near Lake Mead, head to Safe Harbor immediately or stay close to shore until the storm passes.